Easton here. It's New Year's Eve, and we're having our family Christmas party finally. And a few of my family members are upstairs, and I'm gonna go get the air horn.
There's no flash on that? Hi!
It ain't gonna work. It's not gonna work. Well, we can wait.
I was just trying to do it while we had time. Why did you do that?
Because
I think I just peed a little. Maybe they haven't left yet. Easton. Damn.
Josh, come here. Josh.
It didn't even phase him. No, what?
We got warm in December, yeah. For the animals.
Ooh, that.
We'll get in front like we used to.
Alright, just don't, nobody screw her up. Just make a nice picture.
What do I, oh shit.
There you go.
Alright, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Are you serious, dude?
It's getting old now. Everybody knows. There she
is. Took Alabama to overtime, and no games this year.
Barbie, come here.
Where are you?
In here.